Hi there. Come make some tea with me today. I am going to be adding 1 stick of cinnamon, some star anise. Right there, smells good already. Some grains of Selim. Some fennel. Fennel smells like licorice, but it's really, really good. I put it in everything. It smells so good. And then this is burdock root. I love the smell of burdock root. It's so earthy and woodsy. This is cloves. You can literally put any amount. Soursop leaves. Soursop leaves is so good for our bodies. Some fresh mint from the garden. And some lemongrass. So with the lemongrass, you're going to take the back of the knife and beat the stem a little bit to get out the lemongrass scent. And then you wrap it around and put it in the tea. I love lemongrass. It is one of those plants that is just unbelievable. And then there's ginger. For the ginger, same as the lemongrass, beat it up a little bit, or you can grate it and put it right in the tea. And boil it on low, medium low if you would like. And look at that beautiful color. So good, full of nutrients, just absolutely yummy. You can put some lemon in this if you want to. Basically customize it to whichever way that you want to have it. Just look at that refreshing tea. I'm putting lemon in mine. Hope you try this tea sometime. Drink it in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, whenever. Until next time, bon appetit!